Question 1. If f of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3, then limit x tends to 3 f of x is equal to. Correct option is 6. Explanation in the next page. Question 2. A car starts from the rest and accelerates at 2 meter per second square. What is its velocity after 5 seconds? Correct answer is 10 meter per second. Explanation in the next page. Question 3. Which of the following compounds contains both ionic and covalent bonds? Option C, NaOH. Explanation in the next page. Question 4. A 5 kg object is acted upon a force of 20 Newton. What is the acceleration? Correct answer is B, 4. Explanation in the next page.